Well, that was a bit of a change of pace, bit of an interlude from the heavy lifting and the construction type videos. But it was a bit of fun, a bit of a, change of pace. Not really my thing, the fine woodworking, as much as I love it, and I love the idea that I'd be able to do it more, it's time consuming and it's just lower down the priority list. But it's nice to make things, and that's one of the benefits of being able to work and being a maker, is to make gifts. Certainly the like inlay F, which was a bit of a last minute thought, and I started that about 11:30 at night, the night before, as always, as most homemade projects, and that worked quite well, and I'd like to do that in a few other projects, incorporate that somehow. As you probably could tell in the video, I was kind of making it up. I actually took the Dovetail pattern, I guess, off the bit of furniture. There was an old oak sideboard that someone was chucking away, and I've had it here for ages, and I broke that down because it was just falling apart, and reused that timber, and I've kept loads of it as well. I went over to Mum and Dad's and picked up a little project I made when I was 9, which was the last time I cut a dovetail. It was certainly an improvement. I built this jewellery box up in my head to be a fine piece of meticulous work, even though I was 9, and haven't seen it in a good few years, and I picked it up the other day. This is what it looks like, and it's a little bit more sloppy and rough. I mean, it's pretty good for a 9-year-old, but I'm glad to say that I've improved over the years on my woodworking. There's a few things I didn't do or did do. I'd love to do it all by hand, but I didn't have that time. But there are a few of the bits you could have done with a table saw or other hand tools, but hand power tools. But it was midnight most of the 2 nights I was working on it, and the bandsaw is really coming into its own for those sort of jobs because it's pretty quiet. I mean, you certainly can't hear it outside of the building, whereas the table saw or even the circular saw is just that bit too noisy that I wouldn't really want to be using it with neighbours and stuff around. So, but it's great. I mean, having that bandsaw now with that cutting depth, taking the lid off and resawing some of those boards down to do the lining, and loving it. There we go. Hopefully we can get a few more projects like that as and when we find time and space. I'll leave it there. Thanks for watching. Remember, if you can, do it yourself, and we'll see you next time.